Wellness Wednesday is brought to you by Dr. Q Plastic Surgery.
24 minutes past the hour, and you know what? It's about time that we actually have Dr. Suzanne Quardt in, since we hear your name every Wednesday, and we usually have yoga instructors, fitness instructors, skin, people. We have different things that have to do with wellness, and you haven't been in, so I thought we should have you in and talk about some wellness when it comes to skincare and your face.
Awesome. Well, I'm a huge fan of this morning news team, so I'm so excited to be here.
Well, thanks. We appreciate it. We're a big fan of yours because we're going to have some before and after pics in just a minute that we're going to talk about and show off. But today we're talking about non-surgical stuff to make your face look better and healthier.
Yes, there's a lot of new exciting things.
Well, because a lot of people don't want to go under the knife.
Sure.
So what can we do to try and stay ageless and have that clean, nice, fresh glow?
You got it, but I'm going to start with a quick trivia question.
Uh-oh.
All right.
What's the
Audrey,
largest organ in the body?
The skin. I actually know this one.
You're a genius. So we got to keep it healthy is the first thing everyone sees, right? So we got to keep it looking good. And actually one of my goals is, I always joke with my girlfriends and guy friends that my goal is I'm going to keep us looking great till we're 70, so you don't even need your first facelift until we're 70, and then I've done my job.
That's good. Yeah. If you don't have to have anybody cut you until 70, that's pretty
good.
That's pretty good because a lot of people do not like the wrinkles. And with all the sun out here, we get a lot of skin damage. We get a lot of wrinkles.
Yep. Yeah. And they're afraid to make any drastic change, like going under the knife. But with these things, you can just do a little bit at a time.
So what are some of the procedures you do?
So you can basically boil it down to 3 categories: injectables, cosmeceuticals, and then laser and new exciting emerging technologies.
Okay.
So I'll just briefly touch on those. The injectables are your things like your Botox and your Juvederm for fine lines, wrinkles, also preventing them from getting deeper, filling in deeper lines, things like that. And then the new emerging technologies, there's something really exciting called E-matrix or sublative radio frequency, which I could get into maybe at another segment because there's so much to talk about. But minimal epidermal damage, meaning just about 0 downtime, but maximal collagen and elastin.
So you can just go on your lunch break.
Now I gotta admit, okay, it's not just because I'm a guy. I've had a lot of face work done as far as anything, injectables or cosmetics or whatever. But I've had like a microderm abrasion where they like literally sandblast your face.
Sure.
And then I've had a peel.
Yep.
And
that's
the thing
chemical.
where they that's chemicals.
Sure.
And then there's something with like a really sharp blade you guys use, and they actually just
dermaplaning.
Dermaplaning. And they scrape the skin, the outer layer off your face. That actually felt good. And
Well, it's kind of like how guys always shave. We were talking guys shave, and it's good for your skin.
Right.
So
this is why guys don't wrinkle from here down.
Right. Men shave on a daily basis, so their lower facial skin actually ages less rapidly than women who don't have to shave their faces.
So
women usually do things more like waxing.
So it makes sense to get that planing then. Because
Absolutely.
you're scraping the whole face and getting that outer layer off.
Exfoliation, whether you do that through dermaplaning, a light peel, or a scrub, all these things help exfoliate, turn over the skin, make it look fresh and glowing. We also have something called hydrofacial, which is an amazing facial. I'd love all of you guys to try it, where we actually use a vortex technology to draw out the impurities of the skin, a light chemical peel, and then infuse anti-aging ingredients into the skin. It is a lovely treatment.
I'm looking at these before and afters, and I see, the skin's just glowing. A lot of the finer wrinkles are gone. Some of the brown spots are gone. The skin just looks so healthy. And is that what these ladies in your picture had done? A few of those different things? Some had injectables, some had cleaning, some had microderm.
Usually it's a combination that's key, right? So they've had a combination of Botox to get rid of, so let's say, crow's feet around the eyes, wrinkles on the forehead. Then we can fill in the nasolabial folds and wrinkles with some filler, whether that be Juvederm, Restylane, and we could always go over that at a consultation.
And our guys had some before and after pics. Obviously, you do everything when it comes to plastic surgery. That was some of those other shots there. If we can, guys, put the information up on the screen on how to get a hold of Dr. Q over in Rancho Mirage. There it is. That's her phone number and her address. You can get a hold of her. And I don't see the website. I asked for the website. What's your website,
Okay, it's
Doc?
drqplasticsurgery.com.
That's pretty easy if we can't remember that. drqplasticsurgery.com. Doc, thanks for coming in, talking about that. We appreciate it. Don't be a stranger.
Oh, I'd love to come back anytime.
We'll talk
this
more
is a lot
about
of fun.
I feel like I need to come get some stuff done.
We will take great care of you.